This is a chance for you to get your own username on WhatsApp, because WhatsApp has now introduced a username feature where you can have your own username that you can share with people that can just search on the WhatsApp and get connected with you. So instead of people using your number to get you, which makes it vulnerable to being hacked by hackers, this method is trying to prevent that from happening. Therefore, WhatsApp has introduced a new feature where you can use a username. So when you go to the top right corner over here, you tap on the three dots over there, then you go to settings, then you go to edit, the pen icon over here, then you go to reserve username. Okay, so tap on the reserve username, then here you can choose a username. I've already chosen mine, however you can also choose yours as well. If you want to just edit, just go to edit, then you type in your username. You're not allowed to put space in between the characters. However, you can use the underscore and a dot to choose your username. It is good to choose it now, because if someone chooses your username, you have to choose a different name. Indian government has raised a concern about people impersonating people by taking the same username, which WhatsApp does not allow. But things are still being clarified on how safe it is for us to use usernames instead of our phone numbers on WhatsApp. However, you still need to have a number before you can actually create a WhatsApp account, and that seems to remain the same. And I believe this video helps you to create your own username before WhatsApp launches this new feature. If this video helps you, please subscribe, share, and like this video. Stay blessed.